Hi friends, welcome to Rich Mentor. In this video, I am going to show you how to upload files on repository using Git commands. But before getting started, I would like to give you a short introduction about Git commands and Git. Okay, what is Git? Simple. It is a distributed version control system. And again now, here comes a question. What is version control system? What is version control system? Manages the changes to the source code. What do you mean by that? In order to make you understand, I would like to say you some story. Assume that you are a developer and you are developing a project called X, and which is completely done without any bug, and it is ready to deploy. And after 5 years or 2 years, you would like to develop a similar kind of project, advanced version of your X. Assume that you are going to develop a project named X1, but you got a bug in X1 version. Then if you wish to go with your older version, you can clone the code base from Git. It has many benefits, like a complete long-term change history of every file, and branching and merging, and trackability. You can trace a code where who is editing. Now let me start learning about Git commands, how to use them. In order to start, go to the browser and type bitbucket login and hit the first link present there, and it will redirect to the Bitbucket page, a dashboard. If you are a new user, then you should create an account with Bitbucket. It's my Bitbucket dashboard. I have 2 projects and 2 repositories. And if you have a project in repository, you would like to work in local, then you can clone your repository copy to local. To clone the repository copy, just go to htdocs folder and open git bash. Right click and click git bash here, where my git bash is opened. You can see local htdocs and master. It's in master. To clone the file in repository, there is a command called git clone, but before that we should initialize the git using git init. Right click in htdocs folder and open git bash. The path directory is changed. Next, we should initialize the git using git init it and click enter. It will initialize. Next, in order to clone the copy from repository, we should type a command git clone, and then we should copy and paste the URL of your repository. Click a overview and you can find a URL. Now paste the URL and click enter. It is highly confidential. It will ask you for a password, so I am going to give my password. It started cloning. You can see here, receiving objects 20% or 29. Checking out files. Okay, it will take a amount of time. It's about to complete. Yeah, it completed now. Let me check. Epic image. You can see here, it's successfully cloned with all the files. Now I am going to use another command called git status. It will specify the status. Now I am going to use another command named git status. In order to use the status command, we should go to epicmage, your folder name, and here open git bash. Now type git status. Git status and enter. Your branch is up to date with origin or master. Okay. Then let me make any changes in my files. Like I am going to open app, code, aware local, epic driver, block admin and driver. I open my file and I am going to make change, like instead of add driver, I am going to give add item and going to save. Now I am going to check for status. Git yes, and I am going to click enter. Yeah, I can find the URL of the file. If it is in red color, that means it changes has been made and not added. So I am going to use another command, but before that I need to create a branch. In order to create a branch, I am going to use command named git checkout. KOUT checkout -b, that means branch, and I am going to name my branch name portfolio, and I am going to click enter. And after that I am going to use a command named add, that means git add space full stop and enter. Now you can check the status of your changes. The modified changes, it should be in green color, like git status status enter. You can see it is changed into green color now. Previously it was red and it's changed to green color. Now I am going to use another command called commit. The changes what I have made, it will be present in local. If I wish to commit that into an repository, then I should use a command called commit. Git commit id -m stands for message, and open double quotes and type your message, that what you are willing to show. I have written a message that I changed driver to item, that what I have edited. Now I am going to click enter. Now you can see one file changed, one file insertion and one deletion. It means committed successfully. The next command what we are going to use is push. Git type git push push -f origin and enter. Now our file is pushed to a repository. Now let me go and check in Bitbucket. Yeah, portfolio, my branch has created now. Let me check. Here you can see what changes I have made. It is visible here. Add driver to add item. I have done with all the basic commands. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.